Good morning, students. As I am going to start again the fourth part NSOL Olympiad of Workbook Class 11 SOF National Science Olympiad. We have left the last video on the question number 48, page number 60. I'm going to start it again. That was the half part. On the question number 48, it is a biology section. Choose the right sequential phenomena among the following during the delivery of oxygen from blood to tissue. Options in the form of P, Q, R, S, T are given, and then the correct sequence should be taken in the option A, B, C, and D. So out of P, Q, R, S, T, the correct sequential phenomenon we need to choose one. Option P, given that absorption of carbon dioxide by the blood is there. Q, reaction of absorbed CO2 with the water molecule to form H2CO3 within the RBC and its conversion into H plus ion and HCO3 minus ions in the presence of carbonic anhydrase enzyme. Option R, reaction of absorbed carbon dioxide with the water in plasma to form H2CO3 and its conversion into H plus ion and HCO3 minus ions in the presence of carbonic anhydrase enzyme. Option S, combination of H plus with the hemi portion of HbO2 to release oxygen. T, combination of HCO3 minus ion with the hemi portion HbO2 to form reduced hemoglobin and release of O2. Here P, Q, R, S and T. Out of this, on the question number 48, we need to know that which one is a correct option. So the correct option is C. Okay. So C is given that P, Q and S are the right sequential phenomenon among the following, which during the delivery of oxygen from blood to tissue. Question number 49. You can see the figure here. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the given figure of the tissue? Option 1. E is present under the skin as a subcutaneous tissue. B. It is a fat storing tissue. C. It often serves as a support framework of the epithelium. D. It provides strength, elasticity and support to the parts where this tissue is present. For the question number 49, the option B will be the correct answer as it is a fat storing tissue. Question number 50. The given figure shows a man experiencing a sudden withdrawal of a leg that got in contact with the pointed objects. Which of the following nerve pathway gives such response? Option A, receptor to the afferent nerve fiber, 2 gray matter of spinal cord, 2 afferent nerve fiber to the effector. Option B, receptor to afferent nerve fiber, 2 gray matter of spinal cord to the afferent nerve fiber to effector. Option C, effector to the afferent nerve fiber to the white matter of spinal cord to the afferent nerve fiber and to receptor. Option D, receptor to the afferent nerve fiber to the white matter of spinal cord, afferent nerve fiber to the effector. For the question number 50, what will be the correct option? The correct option will be B, because whenever there is a sudden withdrawal of a leg, it is only the receptor which send the message to the afferent nerve fiber, and then it send the message to the gray matter of spinal cord, and from that spinal cord the afferent nerve fiber got the message and we have to effect, so it is a effector. Okay, up to here the model test paper 4 was there. Now I'm going to start the model test paper number 5. Okay.